Hello, welcome to come back my channel. Okay, this video I show you a money printer. Okay, this is a money printer. You can see. Okay, you can see nothing here. You can see. Now I print the money for you. See this 50,000. Okay, you can see 50,000, right? You can see. Okay, and then this 200,000 Vietnamese currency. Put here. You can see. Okay. This is a video I just show you how it work, and if you want to make this money printer, you can come back to my channel. Then you type the keyword money printer. You can see this video, and that video I show you clearly how to make this machine. And okay, if you like this video, please press like and then press subscribe to follow my channel to get more information about the new video. Thank you. Goodbye.